Ding ding ding, ding ding ding.
Hello kids, today we will learn fruits name. So let's start. Apple. This is an apple. Mango. This is mango. Strawberry. This is strawberry. Grapes. These are grapes. Banana. This is banana. Watermelon. This is watermelon. Orange. This is an orange. Peach. This is peach. Pear. This is pear. Papaya. This is called papaya. Now revise them all with Urdu. Apple, सेब, mango, आम. Strawberry, in Urdu it is also called strawberry. Grapes, अंगूर. Banana, केला. Watermelon, तरबूज. Orange, कीनू नारंगी. पीच आड़ू. पेयर नाशपाती. papaya पपीता. Today we are going to learn months name. There are 12 months in a year. The first one is January. January. Next is February. February. Next, third one is March. March. Fourth month is April. April. The fifth month of a year is May. May. June. 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 July. July. August. August. September. September. October. October. November. 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 December. December. This is the last month of the year. Kids, today we are going to count the cars. So let's start. 1. This is only one car. 2. 1, 2. There are 2 cars. 3. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 cars. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 cops car. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 cars. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 cars. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 cars. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 little cute cars. It's time to say bye-bye.